Hi, Edmund. Thanks for jumping on. How was your experience before you chose to work with me?
So look, I started my looking at properties, I guess late last year, and I really only started to properly look at it, I guess, in the first quarter of 2023. And to be honest, like every time a property went on the market, I found it very hard to, I guess, navigate the waters. And I think I really needed someone, a BA. So I did a bit of a sussing around, and I think I came across Envision Property, and gave him a call, and asked him a couple of questions. And yeah, look, I'll be very honest with you. Nathan seems very honest, open, and very transparent, no bullshit type of person. And from that point in time, I guess I went with him and yeah, decided to buy my first property with him. And I'm very, very happy with that experience that I've had with him. You're very responsive. I think that was one of the key things that really made me have a very enjoyable and seamless experience with you. And I like the way that you, every time you have a property that you found, I liked how you did little summary videos, the format and the layout of presenting that to someone that's a novice property investor. I found it was very, very easy to follow through, very informative and short, but with sufficient detail for me to basically make a decision. I found a really, really great experience working with you, and I'll definitely work with you again in future.
What would you say to anybody that's thinking about using Envision Property?
I've obviously touched base with quite a few property agents, and I've sussed them out, asked a fair bit of question, and just see how their work ethic and how they work. But I honestly think Envision Property is very honest. They're not pushy for you to seal a deal. I'll definitely work with you again.